Hey y'all YouTubers, this is my hydrogen generator, Dave here. Well, I just did a second test today on the new generator. Okay, I went 40.1 miles and I put 1.212 gallons in it and got 35 miles per gallon. So, the generator's the same. This was yesterday's and this is today's. So it's doing real good with that certain generator, and that's this one right here, which the other one is in the car right now. You can't really see the electrodes, but see if I can get down here, we can see it. Those are five negatives there. Then you got the three positives on the other side, and then there's three neutrals in between the positives and the negatives. There's three neutrals here, there's three here, then three here. Then you get the positive right in the middle. Then there's three over on this side and the positive. So there's 10 negatives. You see this. There's 5 of them right next to each other. There's 5 here and 5 here. Okay? How many generators out there look near this? I don't think there's not one. So this is my build, and that's the way I do things. I just try different ways of building it. And I think you should too, because hey, not one way. There's some other guys out there doing this, and they've been doing it a lot longer than I have. Okay, but this really caught my eye in May, and I went full tilt on this. I thought it was a good idea that you supplement your gasoline with something else, and I just looked at everybody else's ideas on YouTube here, and I mean, I got my ideas from them, and I hope you will get ideas from me, make it better. Which I did too. I made mine better. As you know, on my other ones, I would had, let me figure out how I had them again. I had a positive, 2 neutrals, and 2 negatives, 2 neutrals, 1 positive, 2 neutrals, 2 negatives, and so on, same pattern, so like that. So I had 6 negatives and 3 positives, and it worked all right. But the only thing is, it only produced half as much as this one does. Okay, and this got 10 negatives, and that's only had 6. So I had a different build on it, and I tried that 26 plate, and it did not work. So then I said, heck, let me try something else. And I did. I went and took, I had 11 of these negatives right next to each other. So I took the middle one, the 11th one, and turned it around for a positive. Then I put 3 neutrals on either side of the positive and just kind of split them in half. That's why you got 3 positives on this side here. You can't really see it that good. I apologize for that. But it does a really good job on it. I mean, I can't say the word because my daggum teeth out of my mouth here, and it messes my words up. But it delivers equal electricity in this thing. On this side it's equal, on that side it's equal, that side's equal. I don't know how it does that, but I'm no electrician, but I'm learning, okay? And I need to learn how to do some other things on the car too, so it's just a learning process for this, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited about something that I found on YouTube, and I said, my friend said, oh, that stuff don't work. Don't you believe everything on YouTube? I'm all like, how do you know it won't work? Well, you gotta make sure you gotta measure this, you gotta measure that. So you saying I'm not supposed to build this thing? Oh, it probably don't work. Well, guess what? I proved them wrong. It does work. Okay, well, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna have new materials coming in hopefully Monday, and I'm gonna show you what it is. It's an ABS plastic machine grade, okay? And then I dug a little further and found that there was another type plastic. And let me see here. Let me get my little book out. All my passwords. You can't see my passwords. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, it's called, it's a black HDPE sheet. Let's see here. A 24 by 24 sheet by a ½ inch is $22.65. Let's see here. I need to go see how much time I got here. I can get, let me get on, let's see here, something else altogether. Get off that. I'm going to show you the place right here on the, here you can see what I'm doing here. And let's see my thing. I got 649. Okay, let's go bookmarks. Can't let you see everything on here. It's called Interstate Plastics. Let's see what we got. Interstate Plastic. So you see my number order down here. But let's go here to materials. Go down here, right there. Let's try that. And it's this stuff right here. Go to that. And then, let's see here, I got 725 left on this. Let's go 24, excuse me, 24, and go up here for, let's go backspace on that, 24, and then go down here. I'm going with an inch, 24 by 24, and you see what the price is at. Okay, and that's from these guys here, and that's the price for a 24 by 24 by 1 inch thick, and it's that HDPE sheet. So hey man, these guys got the plastic, and it's a reasonable price. So I don't know if YouTube will let me put that up there or not. We'll find out. Okay, this is David for my hydrogen generator. If it doesn't come up and don't let me put it up there, well, I'll just have to redo this. Okay, adios.